Sound check.
Okay, I'm coming. Meow? Is this thing on? Meow.
Ready?
Okay. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. So, it's good?
Thank you, sweetie.
Okay.
Lunch is ready.
Yay! This isn't tuna. I don't like shrimp. I wanted tuna.
Alice, pull yourself together.
Okay. Come on, Alice. You can do this. You're a strong cat. You're a strong cat, Alice. You can do this. You can do this. Yes, you can do this. You can do this.
Alice, you on?
Okay. I'm coming. Five little cats jumping on the bed. One fell up and he bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more cats jumping on the bed. Four little cats jumping on the bed. One fell up and she bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more cats jumping on the bed. Three little cats jumping on the bed. One fell up and she bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more cats jumping on the bed. Two little cats jumping on the bed. One fell up and he bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more cats jumping on the bed. One little cat jumping on the bed. She fell off and she bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, time to sleep, put the cats to bed. Hello, my name is Alice. One of the greatest things about our castle is that we have tons of books. I found a book of poems. Let's read one. This was written by a great French kitty poet called Pauline. Okay, let's have a look at it. This poem is called Kitty on the Roof. Okay. A kitty sits on the roof, so pretty, so calm. Above, to the wind rocks a big palm. Through the air, we hear the kitty's bell. The bird on the tree now says farewell. My lord, life is here, true and real. These peaceful sounds linger and reveal the beauty of life and the joy that arise when a kitty appears before our eyes. That's it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bisous. Mwah! I'm washing my paws, I'm washing my paws. Tops and bottoms, bottoms and tops. I'm washing washing my paws in between and on the ends. Oh, it looks fun! May I wash my paws too? Yes, of course! I'm washing my paws, I'm washing my paws. Rub and scrub, scrub and rub. I'm washing my paws, I'm washing my paws. Let the dirt go down the drain. I want to wash my paws and sing too.
Me too.
Okay, here's some soap for you.
Thanks.
We are washing our paws, we are washing our paws. Rub and scrub, scrub and rub. We are washing our paws, we are washing our paws. Let the dirt go down the drain. We're all clean now, yay!
Yay! It's okay. You can go.
Subscribe!
Happy Purrsday to you. Happy Purrsday to you. Happy birthday, dear kitty. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. A da 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 dee dee doo boom ba. Da 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 bee doo bee doo bee doo ba. Meow meow meow. Doo 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 meow meow. Doo 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 meow 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 meow. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Bisous.
Quick!
Subscribe. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Little Skylark, gentle little Skylark, little Skylark, I'll pluck your feathers out. Pluck the feathers off your head, the feathers feathers off your back, pluck the feathers off your back, and the head, and the beak, and the back. Little Skylark, go. Little Skylark, gentle little Skylark. Little Skylark, I'll pluck your feathers out. Pluck the feathers off your leg, the feathers off your leg, and the head, and the beak, and the back, and the legs. Little Skylark, little Skylark, gentle little Skylark. Little Skylark, I'll pluck your feathers out. Pluck the feathers off your wing, pluck the feathers off your wing, and the head, and the beak, and the back, and the legs, and the wings. Little Skylark, gentle little Skylark. Little Skylark, I'll pluck your feathers out. Little Skylark, I'll pluck your feathers out.
Let's all sing together. There will be tuna treats right after. Oh, they're my favorite. Me too. Me three. Everybody, come here.
Wait for me. I'm just putting the paw on top.
Hurry up.
We wish you a Merry Catmas. We wish you a Merry Catmas. We wish you a Merry Catmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Catmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us some fishy pudding. Oh, bring us some fishy pudding. Oh, bring us some fishy pudding and bring it right here.
It's so much fun.
Nearly as fun as catching a mouse.
Oi! Watch your mouth!
Don't worry, Rosie. He didn't mean it.
We all like a fishy pudding. We all like a fishy pudding. We all like a fishy pudding with all its good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Catmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Catmas. We wish you a Merry Catmas. We wish you a Merry Catmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hello, kids. Would you like to know how to say cat in French? Okay, let's start with the adult cat. A male cat is called un chat. Un is the article we use for a male, and chat is cat. Un chat. Now, if the cat is female, we say it a bit differently. We say une chatte. Une is the article for female, and chatte is female cat. Une chatte. If we don't know the gender of the cat, the neutral way is to say it like a male cat. Un chat. Now, how do we say kitten in French? It's similar. For a male kitten, we say un chaton. Un is the male article and chaton is kitten. Un chaton. For a female kitten, we say une chatonne. Oh, it's me. Une is the female article and chatonne is a female kitten. Got it? Une chatonne. And if we don't know the gender, the neutral is un chaton. Want to know how to say kitty in French? When we talk to a male kitty, we call him Minou. When we talk to a female kitty, we call her Minette. Minou and Minette. And if we don't know the gender, the neutral is Minou.
Now let's watch the moment Tiger learned to say and spell Minette with this song.
Hi,
Oh, salut! Who are you?
my name is Tiger. I'm not from around here. I'm on vacation from the US, and my parents just dropped me off. What's your name?
My name is Minette.
What?
Minette.
Minette?
Minette.
Oh, minute. Like 1 minute.
No, Minette. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. Just like a cute pet. Doop doo 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 doo. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. M-I-N-E-T-T-E. You got it?
Oh, yeah, I see. Me new.
No. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. Just like a trumpet. Doop doo 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 doo. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. M-I-N-E-T-T-E. How about now?
It's just too hard.
No, silly. It's easy. My name is Minette. Doop doo doo doo. Just like a puppet. Doop doo 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 doo. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. M-I-N-E-T-T-E. Understand now?
Yeah. Yes, I think so.
Okay, sing with me. My name is Minette. Doop doo doo doo. Just